Hello, and welcome to the Subby Zone, Episode 5, Multiplying Polynomials. I'm your host, Phil Subby. Alright, I'd like to start this off with a little update from last week. The people, or the group with the light blue shirts, are still following me. Now I think they're sending messages through television programs and through the media towards me. Alright, so first, starting this lesson off, I want a quick review tip. Review before we start this. Remember, if we're multiplying numbers with exponents with the same base, we add the exponents. So we have the same base, x squared times x to the cubed is going to equal x2 plus 3, which is going to equal x to the 5th. Alright? Alright, now let's get on to multiplying polynomials. Okay? First, I want to start off with this type of method. There's a couple methods to do this. By a couple, I mean two that I know of. So that's x minus 2 times x squared plus 3x plus 3. Sorry, it should be just 3. Alright, so one way to do this is just distributive property. So you're going to times these first and then these second, and then combine like terms. So we got x to the third, this times this, plus 3x squared, this times this, plus 3x, minus 2x squared, this times this, plus 6x, and then, minus 6x, and then this last one's going to be minus 6. Put that down there. Now we add together like terms. X to the third doesn't have a like term. 3x squared and negative 2x squared makes plus x squared. And then what I like to do is when I combine a like term, I cross it out. Right? And then so we cross those out, and then we got 3x and negative 6x, which is going to make negative 3x, and then we have minus 6. And there is our answer. Okay. Alright, next step, or another way to do this, is to set it up like if, have you seen this before? So 3 times 21. Then you got 363, right? Well, you can do this also with polynomials. So we're going to do the last problem just like that. So we got x minus 2 times x squared plus 3x plus 3. Alright, we're going to set it up just like this. Okay, so x squared plus 3x plus 3, and then times x minus 2. Alright, so we got negative 6, right? Negative 2 times 3, negative 2 times minus 6x, and then minus 2x squared. And we got, here's a crucial step, is put this under what exponent, or the like term. So x times 3 is 3x, right? So you wouldn't put it under the negative 6. So 3x, and then this is going to be 3x squared. And this one's going to be x to the third. Now we add all this up, and this would be negative 6 minus 3x minus plus x squared, and this would be x to the third. See how nice is that? It looks much better and it's more succinct and clear. It's a great way to do it. All right, last step is going to be multiplying 3 polynomials. Before I get to that, just a little bit about the messages that are being sent. So I didn't wash my hands the other day, and I was feeling bad about it. And then I was watching TV, and the Daily Show, Trevor Noah was playing a joke, and they were saying some politician looks like someone who doesn't wash their hands, and I know that was directed at me, and I feel that was directed at me. And I saw some people at a school I was at, and they were grabbing their hands and they were smelling them, and they were, with each other. And it was around me. I knew it was, it's not fucking cool. Get your own fucking life. All right. I haven't done shit to anybody. I'm a nice person, and this has gone on too long. All right, so first you want to multiply these out first, and we're just going to do it the old-fashioned way. X squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. Combine like terms, that's going to make it a negative 3x. I'll just move it down. All right, then your second step is multiply. So that's very important, is remember, you multiply these all out first, and then this one. That's why, x minus 2 squared isn't x squared minus or plus 4, right? This means x minus 2, right? I'll show you x to the cube when I have a little more room. So we're going to do this last step. So x to the fourth minus x squared minus 3x to the third. I'm going to write a little bit smaller. Plus 3x minus 10x squared plus 10. Right? And then combine like terms, x to the fourth. And then remember, cross that out when you're done with that. Then this one's what? Minus 3x to the third. Oh, there's only one of those. Minus 3x to the third. Get rid of that. And then we got negative x squared and 10x squared, negative 10x. So that's going to be negative 11x squared. And then plus 3x plus 10. And there's your answer right there. Now let me show you this real quick. X minus 3 to the fourth. Alright? So that's going to equal x minus 3 times x minus 3 times x minus 3 times x minus 3. That last parentheses, it sounded like I was finishing in the tone of my voice, but I didn't realize I needed one more. So there you go. There's multiplying polynomials. And I'm having a mental breakdown.